Hello students, in this video we are going to study about binary number. As you all know that computer doesn't understand human language, means computer doesn't understand English, Hindi, Gujarati, whatever. Computer only understand binary language, means language 0 and 1. When there is some memory in computer, it always stores, the memory in computer always store in binary format. जो भी कंप्यूटर में डेटा होता है वो बाइनरी नंबर में ही स्टोर होता है. So today we shall learn, if we have some binary number, so how can we convert that binary number into decimal number, and how can we convert the decimal number into binary number. So first, suppose one binary number is given here. This is one binary number. Okay. As we always know, how can we find out is it binary number or not? So in binary number always we have 1 and 0 only. बाइनरी नंबर में ऑलवेज 0 और 1 ही होता है, दूसरा कोई नंबर्स नहीं होता. एंड द बाइनरी नंबर ऑलवेज हैव 2 बेस हियर. ओके, सो दिस इज दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दिस इज बाइनरी नंबर. Now this is binary number, so we are going to convert it into decimal numbers. इस binary number का decimal number क्या हो सकता है, तो that is we are doing. First of all, we have 5 numbers here, 1 2 3 4 5. So we shall write this 5 number. Suppose 1, then again 1, then this number 0, then this number 1, then this 1. Okay, this is the first step clear here. Then we shall add into 2. जो भी नंबर्स है हमें उनमें 2 ऐड करना है. 1 into 2, 0 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2. Okay, then from the right to left side, okay, from this side to this side, we shall add here, we shall put here power. Suppose power we have to put the form in 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Okay, 0 से start करके 1 2 3 4 like this is the way we have to add some power here. So first of all 2 power 0, then 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. If we have some more number here, we shall add 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8 like this. Then we shall add this number. Now make it calculation from right side. 2 power 0 means 1, 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 power 1 means 2, 2 into 1 means 2, plus 2 power 4, 4 into 0 means 0, 2 power 3 means 8, 8 into 1 8, plus 2 power 4 means 16, 16 into 1 16 is equal to 16 plus. now we have to हमें उसमें ऐड करना है ये सभी नंबर्स. 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 2 26, 26 plus 1 27. The decimal number of this binary number is 27. Decimal number always have 10 base here. Okay, so this is the binary number and we have convert this binary number in decimal number. So इस नंबर का ये जो बाइनरी नंबर है उसका डेसिमल नंबर क्या हुआ 27. Let we have some more example. 1 0 1 1 0. Here we have 5 number 1 2 3 4 5. So first of all we will write these numbers 1, then this 0, then this 1, this 1, and this 0. Then we shall multiply with 2. 1 multiply 2, 0 मल्टीप्लाई 2, सभी को 2 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 मल्टीप्लाई 2, 1 मल्टीप्लाई 2, 0 मल्टीप्लाई 2. Okay, second step clear. Then we shall add here power here. 2 पावर 0 से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, फ्रॉम 2 पावर 0, 2 पावर 1, 2 पावर 2, 2 पावर 3, 2 पावर 4. ओके, थर्ड स्टेप क्लियर. देन add this number. Now is equal to 2 power 0 means 1, 1 into 0 means 0, plus 2 power 1 means 2, 2 power 2 4, plus 2 power 3 8, 8 into 0 means 0, plus 2 power 4 16, 16 into 1 16 is equal to, now add this number, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 2 22. The binary, this is the binary number, and the decimal number of this binary number is 22. Okay, so students, I hope you understand. On your page number 34 in your textbook, some examples are already given. You can also do that example and you can study that example well. Now we have here learned how to convert बाइनरी फ्रॉम डेसिमल नंबर्स. बाइनरी में से डेसिमल नंबर तो हमने किए, बट इफ़ वी हैव सम बाइनरी नंबर्स and we are asked to convert it into decimal, if we have some decimal numbers and if we are asked to convert into binary numbers, what can we do? Decimal में से हमें binary में convert करना है. So how can we do it? So suppose let we do it. Suppose ये हमें 22 ही दिया है. So now we are going to convert decimal into binary. This is decimal number. Now we have to convert it. So how can we do this? 22 ये डेसिमल नंबर से, नाउ वी हैव टू मेक इट, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू बाइनरी नंबर. बाइनरी मीन्स 0 और 1 फॉर्म में हमें उसको कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 22, 11 2 ज़ा 22, 11 2 ज़ा 22 मीन्स रिमाइंडर 0 विल कम. 5 2 ज़ा 10, 5 2 ज़ा 10 means 1 remainder. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 2 ज़ा 4 means 1 remainder. 1 2 ज़ा 2 means 0 remainder. Then 0 2 ज़ा means 1 remainder will come here. Now from the bottom to up we have to arrange it. हमें नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक उसको अरेंज करना है. सपोज फ्रॉम दिस साइड, नीचे से लेके, सो 1, देन 0, देन 1, देन 1, देन 0. So the decimal number, the binary number of 22 is 10110. You can see here 10110. Now let we have, okay, we have just done that 27. So how can we find out the binary number of 27? Let me do this. Suppose 27 ये डेसिमल नंबर है. इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द बाइनरी ऑफ दिस 27, उसका बाइनरी नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. सो 27, 13 to the 26 means 1 remainder. 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 means 1 remainder, 1 यहाँ पे बाकी रह जाता है. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 means 0 remainder, remainder कुछ नहीं रहेगा. Then 1 to the 2 means 1 remainder. Then 0 to the 1 means 1 remainder. Now from the bottom we have to go up. First of all, this one we will write, then 1, then this 0, then 1, and again 1. Okay. The binary of 27 is 10 double 110 double 1. You can see here 27 110 double 1 is the binary of 27. So students, you have understand, I think you understood what is, how can we convert the binary into decimal and decimal into binary numbers. In the next video we shall learn the unsigned integer number presentation and signed integer presentation. You can do yourself also some you can also do some integers number, convert integers integers from binary from decimal and from decimal to binary numbers. In the next video we shall learn something more about this lesson. Till then, goodbye.